Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to boost post on Threads. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. First, you need to open Threads in your mobile phone. Process is similar both iPhone and Android. Then after you open your Threads application, you can see there is a plus icon in middle of that application. Just tap on it. Then you can post anything you like to post as new threads. So as an example, I like to choose image. Just tap on your images gallery. Then post image, select the image you like, and I like to this image. Then after you choose the image, just tap on this hashtag icon. Then you need to choose wisely which hashtag is most appropriate for this image. And you can see this is a car image, so I like to use car. Then it will be automatically suggest the tags for this image. Just no need to this one. Please remove this and tap again on tags and tap search for car. You can choose car or cars. You can see that tags are appeared in blue icon, blue text. Okay. Then after you can add alternative text for this, and this is an car image, and tap on done. And you can choose the visibility of this post. You can choose anyone and mention only people's profile you can follow. So I like to choose the second one. Then you can post this image. Okay, now it is posting. You can go to and view that post. This is the thing you can change in the post uploading section. Other things are as now I mentioned. Okay, so first you need to go to your setting icon here and go to account section. You can see there's a second option called media quality. Tap on it, and please remember turn on this for upload highest quality. If you untick this one, your images will be blurry and no one like to react that one. So please remember this will switch. This should be switched on. And when you after you uploading this kind of image or video or anything, some people will like your images and comment your images, kind of things. So you need to reply those images. Please remember. Okay, that means you need to engage with your audience. It will be help you to spread this image with wider audience. And if you set it as public, okay, not for your only your friends. And yes, and you can promote this images in other platforms also. That means you can just tap on this send icon. Then you can send that thing in your followed Instagram peoples, and you can set it as story. You can set it to feed, and you can get the link of that post and post anything you like. And you can post it Messenger, WhatsApp also. So these things help you to boost your post on Threads. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking the video.